Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to start lesson number 3 of unit 3 of Iqra Applied Grammar book 2. So dear students, we are going to start today's lesson with the feedback segment, feedback of the homework that was given to you by me yesterday. And your homework is extended practice exercise, complete the sentences using suitable phrases from the box. ये आपको कल homework दिया गया था. As you can see that all the sentences have been completed by me and I'll give you feedback of this exercise. The first sentence has already been discussed by us. Now we'll start from the sentence number 2. I had to help my mother when she was alone. So I'll pick help my mother option to complete this exercise, to complete this sentence, sorry. Now, sentence number 3, they had to raise their hands when they had a question. So, raise their hands, option को select किया. Sentence number 4, I had to cook food when my mother was not at home. Cook food वाली option को इस sentence के लिए select किया. Sentence number 5, we had to take a break when we were tired. तो इस option को मैंने select किया. And the last sentence, he had to attend the call when it was ringing. Attend the call वाली option को मैंने select किया. I hope that you have done this exercise the same way as I did. अगर कहीं कोई mistake है तो you'll correct it after getting the feedback. Now it's time to move on to the next segment of today's lesson. Dear students, our next segment is Learn to Speak segment, which is a very important segment of this unit. So before moving to that segment, we'll just need to look at the word banks table in which we have list of vocabulary which is helpful for us while conducting this activity, Learn to Speak. So I'll read out the word bank words for you and then we'll start our Learn to Speak activity. So the first phrase is play with friends, learn the lesson, take lunch, eat breakfast, pack the bag, check my notebooks, spend time with friends, play hide and seek, make bed, recite dua, stand on the gate, take a roll call, eat dinner, change clothes, serve food, wash clothes, take notes, take out the trash, recite the Holy Quran. So we are going to use these vocabulary words in our Learn to Speak segment. So let's start our Learn to Speak segment. Dear students, as you already know that for this segment you need a partner. आपको एक partner की ज़रूरत होगी and the partner may be your father, mother, brother or sister. So if we look at this segment, we have 5 questions. हमारे पास 5 questions हैं. These questions will be answered by using the structure of had to or didn't have to. हमने इन questions को answer करना है had to or didn't have to के structure को सामने रखते हुए. So if you look at the questions, I'll read out the questions first and then I'll give you the possible replies. And after that, you will conduct this activity at your home with a partner and you will give your responses. My responses are for your assistance. अब मेरे जो responses होंगे वो आपकी assistance के लिए होंगे, but you will give your own responses while using the structure of had to or didn't have to. आप इन structures को use करेंगे. So the first question is, what household chores did you have to do yesterday? हमारा पहला question है, what household chores did you have to do yesterday? अब हम हर questions के लिए हम will use 2 replies for each question. हम हर question के लिए 2 replies जो है वो रखेंगे, यानी हम 2 जवाब देंगे हर question के. तो आपने ये लिमिट को भी अपने जहन में रखना है. So the replies for the first question are, I had to clean up my room I had to take out the trash. So ये replies होंगे of the question number 1. Now the question number 2, what did you have to do to get good marks in the last exam? अब इसके जो possible answers जो हो सकते हैं, 2 sentences. I had to learn the lesson. I had to prepare important questions. So question number 3, what did your mother have to do when you were a child? And the possible answers should be, she had to wash my clothes, she had to cook food for me. Question number 4, what did you have to do when you were in class 6? And the possible answers should be, I had to read Iqra Applied Grammar Book 1. I had to complete my homework. Question number 5, what did you have to do when you were in Hifz? The possible answers should be, I had to recite the Holy Quran. I had to get up early. Now, after the demonstration of this exercise, learn to speak, it's your turn to do it at home with a partner, and you will do it exercise effectively and carefully. And my demonstration will be helpful for you. So it's over for today. Inshallah ta'ala, tomorrow will come with the next segment of this unit. It's time to say Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.